Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review, Claims, Ingredients, and Effectiveness. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, a revolutionary formula inspired by the traditional Japanese diet. It claims to promote weight loss by targeting stubborn belly fat and improving overall health. This video aims to provide a comprehensive and detailed review of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, examining its claims, ingredients, and effectiveness. 1. The origins of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is said to be inspired by the diet and lifestyle of the Okinawan people, a group living in the Japanese island of Okinawa. Historically, Okinawans are known for their longevity and low incidence of chronic diseases. 2. Understanding the claims. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic claims to provide several benefits, including a. Fat burning. The tonic is purported to target visceral fat, also known as belly fat, by boosting metabolism and thermogenesis. b. Enhanced metabolism. The tonic is believed to promote a faster metabolism, leading to more efficient calorie burning. c. Appetite suppression. It claims to reduce cravings and curb overeating, contributing to a reduced caloric intake. d. Digestive health. The tonic contains ingredients that supposedly support gut health and aid in digestion. e. Increased energy levels. The formula aims to provide a natural energy boost, supporting an active lifestyle. 3. The ingredients of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The efficacy of any supplement lies in its ingredients. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a proprietary blend of several natural compounds. Though the exact composition may vary among different brands, some common ingredients include a. Polyphenol blend, typically, a mix of various fruit and plant extracts rich in antioxidants, such as cherry, carrot, papaya, green mango, and others. b. Metabolic boosting blend. This may contain shilajit extract, ginger root, cinnamon bark extract, and green tea extract, among others. c. Digestive support blend. Ingredients like probiotics, Bifidobacterium breve, Lactobacillus acidophilus, and prebiotic inulin are included to support gut health. d. Vitamin and mineral complex. This blend may contain essential vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin D, and minerals, zinc, magnesium, to supplement any potential deficiencies. 4. Effectiveness and evidence. The available evidence on individual ingredients may show some promise for certain health benefits. 5. Potential side effects and precautions. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is generally considered safe for consumption by most healthy adults when used as directed. However, individuals with pre-existing health conditions, pregnant or nursing women, and those taking medications should consult their healthcare provider before using any dietary supplement. If you're ready to take control of your weight and achieve your fitness goals, the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic might just be the solution you've been looking for. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews and analyses, helping you make well-informed choices for your health and wellness.